Many people want to lose weight and be healthier, but there are so many diets and exercise plans that it can be confusing. In this video, we'll look at a way to lose weight that uses the keto diet, coffee, yoga, and a good diet plan. We'll explain each part to help you understand how to become fitter and healthier. Let's start with the keto diet, which has gained popularity for its unique approach to weight loss. This diet revolves around reducing carbohydrate intake while increasing the consumption of healthy fats. How ketosis facilitates weight loss. Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body predominantly burns stored fat for energy. This process is advantageous for those striving to shed excess pounds. In addition, the keto diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels, curbing cravings and the tendency to overeat. Exploring keto-friendly foods. Here are some keto-friendly foods for weight loss. 1. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-carb vegetable that spiralizes into noodles, known as zoodles. Alternatively, you can slice it into rounds and use it as a low-calorie, keto-friendly replacement for traditional pasta or pizza crust, making it a valuable asset on your weight loss journey. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a source of healthy saturated fats known as medium-chain triglycerides. These fats can be easily converted into energy by the body and may aid in the fat-burning process, making coconut oil a valuable addition to a keto diet. 3. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is relatively low in carbs and rich in protein, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying, keto-friendly snack or meal that can help control your appetite and support your weight loss effort. 4. Chicken breast. Skinless chicken breast is a lean protein source that's virtually carb-free. 5. Avocado. Avocado is packed with healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, and is low in carbs. Its high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, making it a great addition to a keto diet for weight management. 6. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and help the body burn fat. It's not only delicious, but also a fantastic source of protein on a ketogenic diet. 7. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are low in carbs and packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Incorporating them into your keto meals can help maintain weight loss goals while ensuring you get essential nutrients. 8. Eggs. Eggs are a low-carb, high-protein option for keto dieters. They're incredibly versatile, serving as a foundation for various keto-friendly dishes and aiding in appetite control. Black coffee and its role in weight loss. Black coffee can play a role in weight loss due to its potential to boost metabolism and suppress appetite. The caffeine in black coffee can increase your metabolic rate, helping your body burn more calories. Yoga. A holistic approach to weight loss. The role of yoga in weight loss is multifaceted. Yoga promotes weight loss by increasing physical activity through various poses and sequences, enhancing flexibility, strength, and balance. More importantly, it reduces stress through deep breathing and mindfulness, which can reduce emotional eating and improve overall mental well-being. Additionally, practicing yoga encourages self-awareness and mindful eating, making it easier to make healthier food choices and maintain a healthy weight. Crafting a diet plan for effective weight loss. A well-structured diet plan is the foundation of successful weight loss. A personalized diet plan for weight loss, while following the keto diet and incorporating black coffee, could look like this. Breakfast. Start with a black coffee to kickstart your metabolism. For breakfast, Have a keto-friendly meal like scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Lunch. Enjoy a salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, olive oil, and a sprinkle of nuts for added crunch. Snack. Sip on black coffee or snack on a small portion of cheese and cucumber slices to curb midday cravings. Dinner. For your evening meal, opt for baked salmon with broccoli and a side of cauliflower rice. Snack. If you need a late-night snack, have a handful of mixed nuts for a satisfying and nutritious option. You stay hydrated with water throughout the day, and consider consulting a nutritionist for a more customized plan. This approach combines the keto diet and black coffee while providing essential nutrition for your weight loss journey. Staying motivated on your weight loss journey. Maintaining motivation throughout your weight loss journey is paramount. In this section, we will share effective strategies to keep your spirits high, ensuring you remain committed to your goals. Losing weight and striving for a healthier lifestyle can be a challenging endeavor. However, by combining the keto diet, coffee, yoga, and a well-structured diet plan, you possess a potent formula for success. Embrace these elements into your daily life. Stay motivated, and you'll be on your way to a healthier and happier version of yourself. Remember, consistency is the linchpin to achieving your goals.